This is Matt, and in this video I'll show you how to get the free plan on Publer, and I'll go one better. I'll show you how to get a no credit card required free trial as well, a 14-day free trial on one of the paid plans. So I'm right here on the main Publer page. First things first, if you click the link below this video, I do have an affiliate link in the video description where you can get that free trial. So click my link, you'll find yourself on one of these pages or very similar, depending on how Publer changed things over time. So once you're here, you can instantly just click get started for free. There is no credit card required. You can get your account through there, but I'll show you one better. If we hop on over to the pricing page as well here, they do currently have a 7-day free trial on the professional plan and also a free 14-day trial on the business plan. So you've got the free plan here that I just mentioned. It's super easy to sign up. You'll literally just click this button for sign up for free. And just like that, you can enter your email, or you can do Facebook, Twitter, now known as X, LinkedIn, Google, or Apple to sign up. So you can put your email address in, sign up quickly with any of those, just click sign up. And there you go, you have your free account. That's how you're going to get your free account. If you want a free 14-day trial or a free 7-day trial on either of the paid plans, you can click one of these buttons and just do the exact same thing that I just showed you, the exact same process. So I encourage you to click my link, maybe check out the free trial or just get the free plan, up to you. There's no pressure here. It's always good to test drive a platform there and see if it is the right one for you. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. You don't know until you try it. So I encourage you to give these a whirl. It's no risk. It's a free trial and there's no credit card or any kind of billing information taken. So there you go. That is how you sign up for the free plan on Publer. And also I've let you into the trial right here, let you know about the trial even right here. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.